Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to make a type of traditional German Christmas cookies but vegan called Vanillekipferl. For this recipe you will need spelt flour, grounded almonds, white sugar, margarine, icing sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. First step is to mix all the ingredients together except for the icing sugar, which we will need only at the very end. First, we will use a fork to mix everything together, and then we will use our hands to form a consistent dough. Once we're done, we put the dough into a container like a Tupperware and put it into the fridge for about 30 minutes, since the cold will make it easier to give the dough the shape we want. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will shape the dough into a roll and slice it up into small equal pieces. Now we will make little half moons out of each piece and put them on a baking tray with baking paper. Once we're done, we put the cookies into the oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we take the cookies out of the oven and cover them with ice and sugar before they cool off. Alright, that's pretty much it. We hope you liked our recipe and the cookies, and we wish you a Merry Christmas!